our Australia road trip. Here we are in the Atherton Tablelands on the waterfall circuit.
It's a Millaa Millaa Falls circuit, isn't it?
Yeah.
So there's going to be quite a few falls to go and look at. So here we are. I mean, look at them. Cool.
First one done, on to the next one. So basically, there's 3 waterfalls within 10 k's. Obviously, the first one was Millaa Millaa, which we were just at. I think the next one might be Zillie Falls. I'm not 100% sure which one we're going to hit next. So it's quite nice that you easy accessible. Anyone can sort of drive along here.
And what's the next one after that? It's easy for you to say.
He noticed that I delayed saying what the next falls was. Is it Ellinjaa?
Because you can't, yeah.
I don't know.
Because you can't say it.
We can't pronounce half the places over here in Australia.
Elijah.
Oh, was it Elijah?
No, I don't know.
You don't even know.
I ain't got a bloody clue, have I?
You ain't got a clue.
Flipping useless.
Terence knows more than you, didn't you, Terence? Yes.
No, I don't know what it's called. I know it starts with an E.
That's with an E.
Something like that.
Anyway, it's a lovely drive through some beautiful countryside.
Very green.
Very green, so they must get a lot of rain here. And it reminds us of the UK, these sort of rolling fields.
Fields, yeah.
It's lovely. In it goes.
In it goes.
In it.
In it. Yeah, it is.
Beautiful hidden oasis in the middle of the Atherton Tablelands.
Yeah. Cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely. Pretty nice.
Well, it's Ellinjaa.
What's it called?
Ellinjaa. Is it Ellinjaa? Look it up yourself. We're over it.
We're over it.
Over it.
Oh, no, he went. Hey, did the bum go then?
Yay! Don't fall over. No, we're not in the UK, we're in the Atherton Tablelands, making our way to Dinner Falls, which apparently is 3 waterfalls into one, I think, and the crater. So there's the remains of a volcanic eruption or something like that. I tried finding some more information on Google, but it didn't really tell me too much about it. So
you know all about it then?
Yeah, I know everything there is to know about this crater.
You know bugger all.
I know, yeah, nothing. So, but we thought, let's go and check it out, see what that's all about. Hopefully there'll be a bit of information, or not. But if not, it'll be good to look at. Dinner Falls and Crater. They like to do this to us, don't they? Mount Hippamy National Park.
Funny old name, isn't it?
Yeah. And there could be cassowaries. Whoa. And that tells you, if we ever do see one and get confronted, we know what to do, to back away, and that's it.
That's it, so you can do it. Come on, let's go.
What is it, Gaz?
It's a big hole. Oh, yeah, there
Oh,
you go.
did you? Hello!
Crater!
Oh, and there it is.
There it is.
It is a big hole.
With water in it.
Looks a bit murky.
Yeah, I don't think I'd want to swim in there, would you?
No.
Maybe not.
Ooh. Oh, it says it's not just a hole in the ground. A violent gaseous explosion is thought to have blasted this deep hole in the earth, forming a volcanic pipe. Ooh. So there you go. I did say I'd find the information, and there it is. From this platform down to the crater is 130 metres, and the crater is now filled with water that has been undisturbed for tens of thousands of years. Amazing. And apparently it supports a thriving population of shrimp that might not be found anywhere else. Pretty special place. This is part of Dinner Falls. Don't get swept away. I said don't get swept away. That's the second part, so there should be a third part.
Walk down a little bit further and it's the third waterfall. This is quite nice.
Yeah.
Really, really pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Lovely. Pretty.
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 It's pretty.
Pretty. That's good.
So this is where we're camping. It's just at Millstream Golf Club. $10 a night unpowered, 15 if you want power, so it's pretty good. Yeah, it's just off the highway, but it was just ideal location for us to go and do the falls and the crater and that today, and then we can start heading across the Savannah Way. So these are the powered spots along here, and there's the little club over there, and there's some powered sites just there. There is toilets, there's not really showers. I think there's one in the blokes but not in the women's. But if you want just somewhere a bit more secure than a free stop to leave your van while you go out exploring the falls, and that is not too far, so it's good. So just down the road from where we're camping is Millstream Falls. Pretty stunning.
Oh, it's lovely. It's only like, what, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at this.
get to the pools at the top here, you have to walk over all this volcanic rock. It's not far though, just over 300 metres, and then you can go for a swim. You can't get down to the bottom of the falls, there's no way down. There you go. These ones are actually quite warm when you get in.
Yeah, it's not that cold, is it?
No. And
Millstream.
This bit here is turned into like a jacuzzi.
Yeah, some buggers farted.
Not me.
There's little fish in there as well, isn't there?
There is little fish.
Yeah, they all look, loads of them.
Oh no, where there's little fish, there's big fish. Where there's big fish, there's crocodiles.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're fine here, where we are.
Yeah, last person who came here said that. Never to be seen again. All the way down there, see if you fall at the end.
You swim all the way down there, see if you fall off at the end. Nice, isn't it? He got me to sign that life insurance before we come here. Now he wants me to swim to where it drops off.
I reckon I'm going to be a millionaire. Hey!
You'd miss me. There's no point doing this on your own, is there?
Oh, no. Awesome.